Today I'm opening up a regular ETB against a Pokémon Center ETB to see whether or not the Pokémon Center ETB is worth all the hype. This is the first time that I get to open up an ETB, so getting to compare both of them side by side is really cool. Let's get to it. Starting with a regular ETB, you get the player's guide, which shows you all the cards in this series as well as some tips, some promo card sleeves, a promo Fennekin card, a bunch of energy cards like we don't have enough already, and some damage counters and promo dice. Now let's open some packs. Looking for either the gold Mega Greninja X or the special illustration version, both of them going for over about 400 at the moment, which is crazy. I wonder if we'll see some more decks deploying the Deoxys card. They feel like they just do a bit more damage and seem a little bit annoying, some of them. There's like 4 or 5 of them, I can't remember now, but they look annoying. Getting the special illustration Crobat on the second pack is pretty awesome. Chinchino EX card is in the next pack. Shame it's not the special illustration one, but this is still cool. Pulling anything from the Ampharos feels like a bust for me, seeing as that's what I got from the pre-release event. Although this card will always have a special place, getting me to 3rd on the event night. Lots of these Deoxys Pokemons being pulled. Psyspear there seems like a pretty good move. Okay, so from the boosters in the regular ETB, we came out with the special illustration Crobat, a couple of EX cards, and the Fennekin promo. Could be better, I suppose, but it's still cool. Now, let's see about the Pokémon Center ETB. Let's see what's different. Energy cards, promo sleeves, and you get 2 Fennekins, one with the Pokémon Center logo on it. Right, let's open the 11 packs versus the 9 packs you get in the regular ETB now. From the pre-release event, I was lucky enough to pull the Xerneas, the At Work Matang, and Roxy's Performance special illustrations. I've already done well with this particular new set. Nice energy retrieval card, if only I used it in my deck. A Nitro Energy card and a Mega Pyro EX card. A special red card, which I think is going to be in many decks coming soon, which is actually an interesting fact because I didn't know that with releases you can't use these cards in your decks until like 2 weeks later after the official release. Okay, I don't mind that I pulled this special illustration Ampharos. This really is nice. In actual fact, when I showed this to somebody, they asked if I actually got my hands on an Australian ETB. And I said to them, no, it was just a normal, regular one. But I don't know, do you get specific cards from different countries? Is that such a thing? Okay, last pack of the 2 ETBs. Let's see if we can get some luck with this one. Honestly, now that I've opened up both packs, I can absolutely see why, as a collector, you might want the Pokémon Center. But apart from the extra booster packs and the Fennekin promo card, I think in actual fact, they're both pretty much the same. But if you just want to enjoy opening packs, then the regular ETB is going to give you pretty much the same experience. That being said, for the first time being able to open up both ETBs has been amazing.